Once there was a boy who loved to ride his bike. He rode his bike in the park every day. He rode on the big hills. He rode over the bridge. And he rode his bike past the slide. I can go faster than anyone in the whole park, the boy said. While he was riding his bike, the boy saw a snail. Can I try to ride your bike? The snail said. You can try, said the boy, but I bet I'm faster than you. The snail tried, but the snail couldn't reach the pedals. Ha ha ha! I'm faster than you, the boy said. The snail was sad. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. I can go faster than anyone in the whole park, the boy said. Next, the boy saw a baby bird. Can I try to ride your bike? The baby bird said, and go fast like you? You can try, said the boy, but I bet I'm faster than you. The baby bird tried, but the baby bird couldn't reach the handlebars. Ha ha ha! I'm faster than you, the boy said. The baby bird was sad. I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. I can go faster than anyone in the whole park, the boy said. But then the boy saw a raccoon driving a tiny car. The raccoon was very fast.
I'm faster than you,
the raccoon said.
I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you. Ha ha ha.
Now the boy was sad.
Ha ha.
The boy learned a lesson.
Ha ha.
I don't like it when someone makes fun of me, the boy said.
Ha ha.
And I don't like it when someone leaves me behind.
Ha ha.
I should have helped those other animals instead of making fun of them, the boy said. Then the boy had an idea. He hooked a wagon on the back of his bike so he could help the bird and the snail. Look how fast we're going, the boy said. The bird and the snail were happy. And the boy was happy too. Wherefore be faithful, stand in the office which I have appointed unto you. Succor the weak, lift up the hands which hang down, and strengthen the feeble knees.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
If you like what we're doing and you want to support us, please visit our Patreon page at patreon.com/latterdaykids.